In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Islamic calendar to Google Calendar. If you want your important Islamic dates to appear automatically alongside your regular schedule, this is a simple and convenient way to do it. The basic idea is to use an Islamic calendar website, set it to your location so the dates are relevant for your city, switch to the full yearly view, and then export that calendar into Google Calendar using the provided calendar link. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to a trusted Islamic calendar utility website, such as Islamic Finder or Halal Trip. These websites typically provide Islamic dates, religious observances, and calendar tools that can be synced with other services. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the calendar section of the site, since that's where the export option is usually found. Next, configure your current city location settings. This step is important because some Islamic dates and related observances can vary depending on location, especially when the site is tailored to regional settings. Look for a location field, city selector, or settings icon and choose your current city. If the website asks for location access, you can allow it if you're comfortable or manually enter your city instead. Double check that the displayed location is correct before moving on. After that, switch the calendar to the annual view. On many websites, the default view may show only the current month, so you'll want to change it to a full year layout. Look for an option labeled Yearly View, Annual View, or something similar. This makes sure you're exporting the complete calendar rather than just a smaller section of it. If the site refreshes after changing the view, that's completely normal. Once you're looking at the full annual Islamic calendar for your city, find the export option. Depending on the website, you may see a button that says Export to Google Calendar, or you may be given an iCal or ICS link to copy. If there's a direct export to Google Calendar option, click it and follow the prompts. If instead the site provides an iCal or ICS link, copy that link carefully, since that's what you'll use to subscribe to the calendar. That's it. By using the export button or copying the iCal or ICS link from the annual calendar view, you'll have the information you need to bring the Islamic calendar into Google Calendar. As a final tip, always make sure your city setting is accurate before exporting, so the calendar reflects the correct dates for your location.